Hello guys, if you have been looking for the best method or how to identify the exact time to place your order for spikes, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video we'll be looking at how to trade spikes in boom and crash using the right entry point. Okay. Before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make money online, most especially in the Forex channel. Okay, if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you go live with any of the strategies shared here on your real account. Okay, that is very, very vital and important. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I will be adding them to the description box below this video, so you can contact me anytime at anytime to ask your question. Okay, so if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, because that is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. So all you need to do is just to check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it, so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So let's go into what we have for today. But before doing that, I would like to do some market analysis. Okay, let's check out what is happening in the market before we go fully into what we have for today. At the moment, I'm using the signal indicator to analyze boom 1000. Okay, boom 1000 had been on downtrend at this level. Okay, after recovering from this uptrend, okay, it went on short downtrend. Not really short, but it is still very short, because it gave us 24 minute candles, which is also cool enough for someone to meet up with the daily target. Okay, but when it got to this support level, it started spiking up, so trying to go back on uptrend. Okay, so if you must sell, do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. Let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator. At the moment, it is on downtrend. As you can see, it started the downtrend from here, and it has been crashing since then. Okay, so do not buy when the market is on downtrend. Okay, it's been on uptrend before. We got a buy signal here, but got confirmed here. But if you should check from where it was confirmed to where it stopped, that actually gave us about 60 minute candles, which is cool enough for the day. Okay, let's check out what is happening with boom 500. I'm using the QDC scraper indicator here. Boom 500 is presently on downtrend. If you should see the trend, okay, it is presently on downtrend, so it has been selling and selling and selling. So if you're having this, then you are most likely to enjoy this trade up to this very moment. Okay, it will soon be going back on uptrend very soon. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, I'm using the NT indicator. It has been on a very long downtrend, because this is 1 hour time frame, so it's been on a downtrend for a very long time. Okay, right now it has gotten to this support level and trying to pull back. Okay, if it breaks this resistance level successfully, then it should be going back on uptrend, and we should be seeing it at this level, before there will be a reverse, except if this resistance level is broken, then it should shoot up again. So that is all about the analysis. So let's go back into what we have for today, which is how to trade spikes in boom and crash using the right entry point. Okay, remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and also if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's go back into what we have for today. Okay, this is what we will be using for today. Okay, like I said, if you have been following up with my training videos on how to trade spikes successfully, then you will notice that the best time to trade spikes is when the for boom, when the market is on uptrend, and for all, when there is an when the market is about going on uptrend, okay, you enjoy trading the spikes around there because you start with a trend and you end it with it, okay. For crash, when the market is on downtrend, okay, that is when the drop down candles will be appearing. So identifying the trend is where we usually have problem, okay. So with this QD6 scraper indicator, we've been able to solve that to some extent, okay. So as you can see, this third indicator will tell us the general trend of the market. This second indicator tells us the exact trend of the market. You can see when it is buying, it's only bought for a very long time, but even though this is still telling us it's only bought for a short time, even though this is still telling us that it is still on downtrend. And you can see after buying, it bought from here to here, but a single crash cleared all the candles created when it was buying. Can you see that? So that shows that the market is on downtrend at that particular time. So when should we enter a trade? Okay, from the beginning, the exact time to enter a trade is from the beginning of a trend. Okay, how do we identify that? This is how you identify that. Okay, you can see it's been green bars from here, but right here it's changed to yellow and give us a drop down arrow. Okay, thereafter we got our red signal, and you can see we got our sell alert here. So you can place your order here and it will start crashing. It will only extend this if this resistance level was broken. If it is broken, then it will extend it upward there. But even if you have placed your order, you don't need to close it because it will still tell you that it is still going to sell. Okay, so it can only take a few more minutes, but it will definitely sell. You can even add more order to it if you have enough trading capital. This time around, you can now reduce the lot size to what you used at the initial stage. Okay, so that is very, very important. So if you had placed your order here on this candle, and okay, let me try and highlight the exact place so that okay, you can see that is where the arrow also came out from. If you had placed your order there, then if you are having enough trading capital, you can leave it open until you see the trend changing, and before it will change, you will see the uptrend arrow popping out here. Okay, what if you now miss this opportunity, this entry point? Because if you should see it, it has crashed and crashed and crashed, and even at this level. Okay, so which gives us an opportunity to earn more if you had entered from the beginning. What if you miss that opportunity? How do you know when next you should have the next opportunity? Okay, I'm going to show you two ways of how to know when you should have the next opportunity. Number one, once the trend is still red, it shows that it is still in downtrend. Definitely it will crash, but you don't just want to place order anywhere and be hoping that it will crash soon and it won't crash at that particular time. What if the market is trying to reverse a bit and it can reverse for the next 30 minutes, even though the market is on downtrend, but at that particular time you will be losing a lot of money if you are not having enough trading capital. You might be taken out of the market fully. Okay, so this is what you should do. This is what you should do if the trend is just starting. You can place your order, but if you miss that, let's say it has crashed, don't let it go for long. Let's say it has crashed, then you wait for the sell signal to pop out, this red candle. Okay, if it pops out before a crash, you can place your order there, even if it disappears, because if that resistance level is broken, it can disappear because it is normal. Even when you are doing your normal TA without this indicator, once it is broken, you know that that resistance level is broken. So you leave it open because you are still within the right trend, because it will definitely crash. And check it out, when it crashed, it put you in profit. You can still leave it open because you are yet to change the trend, especially if you have enough trading capital. If you don't have enough trading capital, you can close it and keep your profit. Okay, another way to know when to come in again, if you miss the entry point of coming, then if you miss the beginning of the trend, another way to know when to come in again is when you can see the candles that are being created when they are approaching these 4MA candles, QDC 4MA candles, when they are approaching it, then you should place your order on those candles, because those candles are strong enough to pull back the market downward. If they break it, then that means a resistance level have been broken. So you can you can place your order on it. You can see if you had placed your order on this, if you have placed your order on this, then just 2 minute candles after that it crashed down. That will have put you in a lot of profit. Let's say you placed your order on this here. You can see that after a few candles it crashed down again. This time around it has broken it. It is trying to go back up. Okay, it is trying to go back up, but you don't need to be scared. The reason is the trend is still on red. Okay, that means that it will be crashing at that particular time. Okay, remember, if it is boom, it will have to be green, not red. Okay, it will have to be green and not red. So that is the way you do your analysis before you enter any trade, especially if you want to trade spikes successfully. It is either you start from the beginning of the trend like this, or you come in when it is approaching the 4MA candles, or you come in when you see an exit arrow showing an exit arrow for a buy trend showing. Okay, it means that it will crash any moment from there, and most especially when you are on a red market, or that is when the trend is red. Okay, it shows that it will crash around that area. Okay, but if it is boom, when the market is booming, that is when it is green, that is when you should follow this step. Okay, that is how to go about it. So I'll be stopping here for now. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. You can see that it has just crashed. I'm sorry, I had to cut that because I just want to show you what I was trying to say. Like I said once it is approaching this, you can come in again. It actually approached it and went longer because it has approached it here. It crashed. Break out a few with a few candles here, crash. This time around it should go longer than this. Okay, because if you should check it out, it is giving us support level here, support level, the same support level which has not been able to break out. Okay, and it is also maintaining that resistance level. Okay, so that is why it means that it has not been able to break the support level, which means it wants to the market is trying to pull back up a bit, to reverse a bit before going back on full downtrend. Okay, that is why it broke out from this for a few minutes before crashing down. But check it out, if you had placed your order here again, this will have put you in profit, isn't it? It would have put you in profit, and you can maintain your stand if you have enough trading capital, because you will still experience more crashes even with this, because you can see the market is still red. It is not green at all. We are yet to see the turnaround of the market. Okay, so that is how to go about it. I want you to understand this video by watching it over and over again, so that you will understand how it works. Okay, and I want you to practice it on demo account first before trying it out on real account. So practice it on demo account. Practice every point I have pointed out in this video, and see if it works for you. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So I'll be stopping here for now, so watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.